Hello and welcome to the Spa Finishing School Collective. I am so excited that you have joined. This community is full of passionate salon owners just like you who literally care and want to create excellence in everything they touch and master the art of client journey and experience so you can be really set apart from the rest. By joining, you've shown the commitment that you are ready to build a stronger salon and to really start achieving your why and your goals. So amazing work for that. It is the first step that really will set you apart from the rest. So huge congratulations on that decision and commitment. It's also shown me that you are dedicated to caring about details and to really caring about your clients. And that is what this space is going to be all about. The collective is going to help you with strategies and tools and support for this entire journey to really make those changes that you need to in your business to create yourself the perfect world and lifestyle that you want. So it is amazing to have you here. Let's go through then what's actually going to happen from now. So first off, be ready and looking out for emails. The first thing you will get is you should get a login to your collective dashboard. So this gets you into the Spa Finishing School and to the collective area. And you'll get a dashboard and you'll be able to get into the community space. So the community is where everybody else will be and you'll be able to share and support each other. So the first thing to look out for is your actual login to the collective. You will also get some emails from Luke with any of the founder offers that you have got. So all of your access into the Spa Finishing School training courses. Now, remember the Spa Finishing School training courses are actual treatment training courses that I have made. So holistic body scrubs, skin workout, natural facelift facials, or holistic manicures, or how to upgrade your waxing. So they all sit in a site as course modules. What you will also be getting is the actual main course that you've joined, which is the Treat Framework. Now, you're also going to get 2 weekly live Q&A sessions with me, and you'll get the link for that call as well. But in your diary, I would just book forward that slot, that 10:30 a.m. slot for those live Q&A sessions. And the way the course will work over the 12 months is that every month I will be releasing different modules for you to watch. And I'm bringing them out slowly because then I can help you break them up and guide you through the timeline of doing them and order of doing them. There will also be templates, salon builders, the vault. Now, what will happen with these is that those will start to be released into the community relatively frequently. What I don't want to do is give you absolutely everything all at once. So keep an eye out for those. Also keep an eye out and make sure that you have got emails with any founder discounts. The first one I've mentioned, which is your login for the entirety of the time you're in the collective to the treatment courses that I have created across the years in the Spa Finishing School. You will get your 20% discount code for all your Pinks Boutique, Proverb and Spa Decor trade prices, so 20% off trade. And then anyone that paid in full, you will be getting your £50 decor voucher too, which will help you buy anything you want, like sarongs or copper pedicure bowls or trays, little bowls and spoons. So make sure that you've got those. If you're worried that you haven't received anything at all, if you just email Luke, Luke, @pinksboutique.com. Okay, so that's what's going to happen. Now, the exciting bit, step one, As soon as you have your login to the community dashboard, the first job is to go and introduce yourself to me and to everyone else. We want to know your name, your salon name, what it is you do, what you're most excited about trying to achieve while you're in the collective, and anything you really want to change and stop. If you've got any pictures or you want to do a video, we would just love to know all the things you're passionate about, not just work, anything at all, because that will be the real foundation of starting to understand who is in the collective with you and how you can support each other. So make sure you keep your eyes on your inbox for the next few days. Remember to check junk and clutter, because sometimes when you're getting emails from a new provider, they can go there. And I can't wait. Let's go. I cannot wait to see what we can build together. Welcome to the collective.